This is your Legal Minute.
There are 3 ways to hold title to property in Maryland. The first one is tenants in common. With the tenancy in common, the tenants own individual interests or shares to the property. If one tenant were to pass away, that tenant's share would pass down to his heirs. The second way to hold title in Maryland is joint tenants. Unlike tenants in common, there is a right of survivorship, meaning if that one of the tenants were to pass away, the deceased tenant's share would pass automatically to the surviving tenants. There are 4 requirements that must be met in order for a valid joint tenancy to be formed. The first one is time. The co-tenants must have acquired the interest of the property at the same time. The second one is title. The co-tenants must have acquired title of the property through the same instrument, which is typically a deed. The third requirement is interest. The co-tenants must have equal interest to the property. And the fourth requirement is possession. The tenants must have concurrent and equal rights to possess the property. The third way to hold title in Maryland is tenants by the entirety. This is only limited to married couples. Similar to a joint tenancy, there is a right of survivorship. The parties, however, are not allowed to convey or partition the property without the consent of the other. If they were ever to get a divorce, the tenancy by the entirety would automatically terminate and be converted into a tenancy in common.